Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of viewing archived public post activity on Facebook. It's a great way to revisit past posts and relive your memories. Let's get started. If you haven't already, make sure to download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Open the Play Store and search for Facebook using the search bar. Look for the white F logo on a white background. Tap on it, and then tap on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. Excellent. Now that you're signed in, let's find out how to access your archived public posts activity within the app. Tap on the three stacked lines located at the top right side of your screen to open the menu. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to proceed. Great! Within the settings, continue scrolling down until you reach the Your Activity section. Tap on it to access your activity log. Perfect. Now, in your activity log, look for the blue icon labeled Public Posts. Tap on it to view your archived public posts. Almost there. To access your archived public posts, tap on the Archive option next to the box icon. And voila! By tapping on the Archive option, you can now view all your archived public posts, bringing back those cherished memories. That wraps up today's guide on how to view archived public posts activity on Facebook. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time.